Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see Cloud Run demo. In this demo, we are going to deploy a sample container that has already been uploaded to the Container Registry repository to Cloud Run. So what is a container registry? So container registry, it is a single place for our team to manage Docker images. It is a service for storing private container images, a service for storing and managing artifacts in private repositories including container images. So what is a container repository? So container repository is used to store related images for setup and deployment. Container repositories can be used to manage pull or push images. In this demo, we are going to see now. So let me go to that Google Cloud Console. So this is the GCP console. This is the Google Cloud Console, as we already know. Now we are going to deploy the sample container. We are going to deploying the sample container. To deploy a container, first we need to go to the Cloud Run. Go to the Cloud Run. Just click this navigation menu. So here, just scroll down. Here we have the option serverless services. Under this, we need to select the Cloud Run. So we need to select this Cloud Run, and next we need to click this create services. So Cloud Run, we can run containers on a fully managed platform. So now I'm going to click create service now to display the create service form. So now it is showing the form service form. Now we need to fill the form. In this form we need to first I'm going to select the region. So whatever region as per your requirement, we can select the region. I am selecting as US central one, let it be. Next we need to specify the name we want to give our service. Now I am giving the name as cloud test cloud run, test hyphen cloud run. I'm giving the name as test hyphen cloud run. Next we need to give the container image URL. So first we need to select this deploy one revision from an existing container image. We need to select this option under the service settings. Now I am giving the container image from my slide. You can copy paste this. So we need to use this container image here, container image URL, just paste it here. So I have pasted it here. Now we have selected the region also, and what is next means we need to click next. Now we need to click next here, just click next here, and now you can see we need to configure the service is triggered. A service can be invoked directly or via events. So here we need to click the ingress. It should be allow all traffic only. Then we need to select the authentication. So authentication, it should be, we need to select allow unauthenticated invocations to be able to open the result in our web browser. So we need to click this allow unauthenticated invocations. Next we need to click create. That's it. So we have done the cloud run lab. So we need to click this create to deploy the image to cloud run and wait for the deployment to finish. So it is loading now. So we need to wait for it. It will take less than 1 minute only, friends. We have successfully completed the cloud run lab. We are going to open the link and we are going to see. So let's wait for it. So we need to click the displayed, it will be displayed url will be displayed in a few minutes, url link. Then we can run the deployed container. So let's wait for it. We have just deployed to cloud run a container, so just wait for it. So it is taking some time. We can see here test hyphen cloud run, this is our cloud run name, and deployed by my GCP ID using cloud console. And you can see that container information here, image URL and build source, port number, it is showing here, capacity, CPU allocation, CPU memory. So we can see here also the information we can see here. So setting IAM policy, it is showing completed, and creating revision pending, and routing traffic, it is pending. So let's see. So URL it is loading now, you can see here, and region which we have selected as US Central 1. This is the cloud run name which we have given already, test hyphen cloud run. So let's wait for it. So this is the lab which we are doing, like a deploy a pre-built sample container. So now we got the link, friends. Now you can see this URL link came, and now you can see this image URL right side also it came now. Okay, fine. Now what is the next step means we need to, so now what we have done, we have successfully deployed to Cloud Run a container that responds to incoming web request. So Cloud Run automatically scales our container out to handle the received request, then scales in when demand decreases. We only pay for the CPU, memory and networking consumed during request handling. So just I'm going to click this link. Now you can see it is running now. Congratulations, we have successfully deployed a container image to Cloud Run. This created the revision test Cloud Run and Cloud Run service test Cloud Run. So this is our Cloud Run name, and this is which we have given the region in GCP project. This is my project ID. So we have successfully deployed the container image to the Cloud Run, friends. So we have done it successfully. Then we need to finally clean up. So how to delete this means, we can sorry, before that we can check it here, logs and triggers details we can check it, and permissions. Yeah, you can check these things, metrics also we have. Okay, fine, you can view this information by clicking this. Now what I'm going to do means I'm going to delete this Cloud Run. Okay, so how to delete this means, so go back here, and here you can see this Cloud Run page, home page, like Cloud Run page. So here you can see this is showing us service, I mean service is healthy and service saving traffic. It is running right now. So you can see this region and authentication, allow unauthenticated, and last deployed 1 minute ago. This is deployed by my user ID, GCP ID. Now we need to delete this. So just click this, select this, and just click delete, and we need to delete this test Cloud Run. So service is deleted now. Then after that, if we are refreshing, definitely this page will not work. Okay, because we have deleted it, right? So if you are clicking here, and let me refresh this page, see here 404 error came. Okay, we have successfully deleted the Cloud Run. And one more thing, friends, we need to delete the storage also, cloud storage also, because image will be loaded here. So you can see it here. Let me open this. Okay, so it is automatically deleted, no need to worry. You can, but we need to verify it here also. Okay, whether something has been deleted, or I mean something may not be deleted. So you need to verify it, each and everything. And the resources, under the resources also you can see easily, you can see in the dashboard, resource, under the resources, this project has no resources. Okay, so we have successfully deleted the Cloud Run. We have done the Cloud Run demo. So you can copy paste this container image, friends. Thanks a lot, friends. Have a great day. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, you can subscribe my YouTube channel, so that it will motivate me to upload more videos about the Google Cloud platform. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye bye.